Hey, Dr. Banyan here, just to talk you a little bit through the pacing of our schedule. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see just a static image of our schedule for the next 2 weeks. So some things to be thinking about as you finished up the orientation and you're jumping into this module. Notice that there's a lot of activities where you have to be finding your own information, and discussing with colleagues in the class. Note that individual tasks are coded in dark blue, collaborative tasks are coded in light blue. So keep in mind that collaborative tasks often take a little bit longer. It requires you to get a response from someone else in the class and respond back to them. It takes a little bit of lag time maybe to get in touch with them, find a time that works for both of you. And depending on where you're at in the world, it could take a little bit more time. So just keep in mind that when we have these collaborative tasks, they take a little bit more planning and perhaps a little bit more time as you work with your colleagues and wait to hear back from them, because of course we know we're in all different time zones all over the world. My suggestion would be, as you look at this chart, you might think about, if you use a paper planner and it works, putting in these deadlines in your paper planner along with your other information. If you don't have a paper planner, I suggest sticking them in your phone, having a little alarm go off every day there's a deadline, just so you know what's going on in the class. Without these daily classroom reminders from a physical teacher, can be pretty easy to forget what's going on in the class. So just note there's a good amount of individual and group activities. Plan for the collaborative activities to take a little bit longer than they normally would face-to-face. And be sure to send me a message on Twist if you have any questions about any of the assignments along the way. Take care, everyone.